Hello viewers, in one of our previous videos, we shared our fun experience at Landmark Forest Adventure Park. Would you like to go more economic adventure park closer to Edinburgh? If so, then the Dalkeith Country Park enjoys the pleasure of hosting pure family fun. In this video, you will see different attractions that make this park one of the best in Scotland. So let's get started. There are two different areas in Dalkeith Country Park and we chose to go to Fort Douglas Adventure Park first. Just near the entrance to Fort Douglas, over River Esk, you will find a kid-sized tunnel that runs from one side of the bridge to the other. Though little scary at first, but once you complete it, would like to do again and again. Fort Douglas has two amazing play zones, one for toddlers and another for ages 5+. All play equipments are even suitable for adults to use, making the environment family friendly at the same time. This park includes many fun attractions such as turreted tree house, zip lines, suspension bridges, slides, climbing walls, secret tunnels, and also the new Skye maze. Once you have entered the playground, there will be a whole range of equipment to swing from, slide down, and balance on. Plus the incredible fort tree house connected to 3 zip wires. You can have a complete view of all the attractions of the park from these tree-top trails. Even the orangery in the other part of the park is clearly visible. The park has good attractions for children from toddlers to teenagers with lots of safe but demanding attractions. It has things to climb, to watch and to participate in. Why should kids have all the fun? Even the elders can also participate. Unlike most places, there is an entrance fee, but it's reasonable and once inside, it's worth every penny. Please note that dogs are not permitted to go inside Fort Douglas. And now let's explore the restoration yard, which includes a cafe, restaurant and shops. The restoration yard also has a well-being lab to promote restoration of the self. This is a sanctuary for emotional healing, a space to rebalance and renew the self. The restoration yard area is very nice for excellent shopping, brunching and lunching. After that, we explored more of the grounds and took magnificent pictures of the orangery, a beautifully architectured monument which is under repair. So we could only take pictures on the outside. While the parents are busy in taking pictures of the fantastic scenery, kids can go in the shallow river Esk and have some splashing fun. It's a great afternoon taking in the fresh air, walking through the woods and down to the river. We were about to leave the park when we saw a beautiful palace near the parking lot. We decided to go and see it furthermore. The palace is a historic house built in 1702, now serving as a home to students going to nearby universities or colleges. The palace has lovely grounds for walking, and nearby we can see Montague Bridge, which overlooks a waterfall. However, we are unable to see the waterfall clearly as it is blocked by trees and bushes at the trail. You can have a stroll on the bridge and can capture the magnificent sight. And that's it guys, the end of a very fun trip which we hope that you guys enjoyed too if you visit Dalkeith Country Park. If you have not already subscribed to our channel Couple Curiosity, please do so right away. Also please share this video and don't forget to watch other videos in our channel, bringing you lots of new locations and tips to make your trip a wonderful success. See you soon. Till then, take care and have fun. Bye bye.